Hey guys, and welcome back to MothersBBQ. On this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade spicy pickles. They'll go great on any sandwich, pulled pork, burgers. You're going to love it. Stick around. Alright, so to get started, I got 5 pickling cucumbers here. You can use English cucumbers, some baby cucumbers. I got 5 of them here. I'm going to use my little mandolin. You can slice these by hand if you want, but this is just a little quicker. We're looking about an 1/8 inch thick. Alright guys, so we got our cucumbers all sliced up here. I got a little container here. You can use a 1-pint jar if you want. You're just looking for a container large enough to hold all the stuff. Let's go ahead and add our spices. I got a pickling spice, some kosher salt, some turbinado sugar. I got about 2.5 little cloves of garlic that I just smashed. I got about a teaspoon of fresh dill. And here's where our heat's gonna come from. I got 2 jalapeños that I just sliced in half, removed seeds from half of them, kept the seeds on the other half, and sliced them up. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of white wine vinegar. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my cucumbers in. Alright, you can see I switched to a larger container. That little one just wasn't gonna cut. Like I said, you need a good big pint jar to do this in, or you can just reduce the recipe by the amount you need. So I got all our cucumbers in, I got all the spice, the white wine vinegar. To that I'm gonna top it off with about 1.5 cups of boiling water. I'm gonna go ahead and use a spoon and just kind of toss this up together, and that's it. Alright, so here's all our cucumbers, our spices, vinegar, everything in the container. I'm gonna go ahead and get a lid on this, stick this into the fridge, let it sit overnight. By tomorrow afternoon, these things will be nice and pickled, and we'll be able to try them. Alright guys, so our pickles have sat in the fridge for, I don't know, about 20 hours. And you can see they're nice and pickled. Let's go ahead and give one of these a bite. These are killer. They're sweet, vinegary, got your pickle taste to it obviously, but that jalapeno adds some great heat to it. It's a low heat, it's not overwhelming, but it's got a nice sweetness to it. This would go great on some pulled pork sandwiches or top off any burger. You guys have got to give this a try. Let me know what you think. Once again, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you share this, Facebook, get the word out. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.